going to talk about the law of cause and effect. The law of cause and effect is the foundation of Buddhism. If we compare Buddhism to a tree, the law of cause and effect represents the roots and the trunk. Without roots, a tree would surely die. If the trunk were cut, the tree would fall over. Without understanding the law of cause and effect, there is no way to understand Buddhism. Why this? Well, Buddhism is the teachings of Shakyamuni Buddha. All of his sermons have been recorded in writing. The entire compilation of Buddhism teachings is called the Complete Sutras, which total more than 7,000 volumes. The principle that underlies each and every one of these sutras is the law of cause and effect. You can probably tell then just how essential the law of cause and effect is. Now, what is meant by cause and effect? In Buddhism, it is taught that whenever something happens, no matter what it is, it happens because there is a cause. No effect can occur without a cause. Not even 1 in a million or even a billion. Sure, there are cases where causes are unknown. For example, we might not know the cause of an airplane crash in which the plane had sank to the bottom of the ocean. However, the cause being unknown and the cause being non-existent are two completely different things. Perhaps the crash happened because the airplane got into air turbulence or because of an engine trouble. In any case, an airplane crash occurred because there was a cause. A plane would never crash without a cause. All phenomena in this world, no matter how small they are, always have their respective causes. If you dropped your wallet and lost it, it's happened because you were not paying attention or you had a hole in your pocket. Whatever the cause, it exists without fail. If you stumbled over a rock, fell and hurt yourself, it also happened due to a cause. Next, what is meant by a law? A law is something that penetrates the 3 worlds and the 10 directions. The phrase the 3 worlds refers to the worlds of the past, the present, and the future. In other words, it means at any time. The phrase the 10 directions refers to north, south, east, west, the 4 points between these, and up and down. In other words, the 10 directions means anywhere. Something that never changes regardless of time and place known as a law in Buddhism. Something that held true in the past, but no longer holds true today, cannot be called a law. Likewise, something that is considered to be right in Japan, but wrong in the United States, cannot be called a law either. Something that is valid in Japan, in China, in India, and everywhere else is considered to be a law. So, something that doesn't change and remains valid at all times, in all places, is considered to be a law. In Buddhism, such a law has been taught for 2600 years. That is, that there is no effect that happens without a cause, and wherever there is a cause, an effect will always follow. To put it simply, seeds not planted will never grow. Seeds planted will never fail to grow. Buddhism, in particular, teaches us something that matters as the most, which is the relationship between the cause and effect of happiness. If you don't understand this law of cause and effect, you won't be able to understand either Buddhism or the teachings of Master Shinran. Let us learn about the law of cause and effect in more detail.